Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into My Hero Academia Season 7 Episode 8 titled Two Flash Fires. In this episode, we uncover the intense backstory of Toya Todoroki, now known as Dabi. Stick around as we break down the key moments, character revelations, and epic battles. So let's get started. At the police station, Dr. Kyodai Garaki will converse with Gori about Dabi's past, hinting at the culmination of long-laid plans involving twisted raw materials born into the world to become vessels. The scene will then shift to 11 years ago on Sikoto Peak, where Toya is engulfed in flames in a desperate attempt to survive. Toya jumps into a lake to extinguish the fire, driven by the thoughts of proving himself to his father. Endeavors presently, Kyodai reflects on Toya's inherent flaws and refers to him as the boy born with everything. Toya awakens in a strange nursery, confused by the changes in his voice and the fact that he has been comatose for 3 years. Overseers inform him that he now belongs to their family, desperate to return to his real family and apologize for his past actions. Toya is disheartened by a voice on a monitor that explains the extensive regenerative procedures performed on him. Even with his damaged organs and dulled sense, Toya retained his resolve and refused to be molded by anyone else. Back in the present, Kyodai explains to the officer that despite all for one's effort, they couldn't control Toya's obsession with his father. Originally meant to serve as a spare vessel of the Demon King, Toya's hatred fueled his survival. To Kyodai, he was no more than a failed experiment. After letting the boy go, Kyodai recounts how Jiren unexpectedly brought Toya back to them, still alive years later. This tenacity and irrepressible grudge that the boy had against Endeavor kept Toya alive. In Kamino Ward, Dabi, engulfed in flames, recounts to Shoto how he returned to home only to find himself further alienated by his family. The image on his alerted coupled with Endeavor's continued abuse towards Shoto made him realize he was nothing more than a failure to his father. He tells Shoto that day Toya died and Dabi was born. He was driven by hatred and desire to surpass his limits. Dabi then says he would burn up everything that man had close to his heart, and Shoto resolved to stop him. At the police station, Kyodai explains that even the Demon King had no use for a blazing flame that rushes towards its death. Dabi's body burns up as he unleashes Flash Fire Fist, Hell Spider, a devastating attack modeled after Endeavor's ultimate move. Shoto, protected by Burnin, Kido and Onima, counters Dabi's assault. Dabi attempts to belittle him, calling Shoto the boy born with everything, but can make use of his power. Shoto is then hit by Dabi's jet burn attack, launching him into a building. Shoto manages to neutralize the flames and thinks about his training and determination to face Dabi, despite Endeavor's initial reservation about their team placement. In the present, he declares that he will no longer let Dabi harm innocent lives who are unrelated to his downfall. He unleashes his new technique, Flash Fire Fist, Phosphor. In a powerful attack aimed directly at Dabi, the Class 1A boys discuss their concerns for Shoto and his decision to face Dabi. Shoto reveals his Flash Fire Fist Phosphor technique, explaining its dual element nature, and expresses confidence in this ability to handle Dabi. He thanks Midoriya for helping him and realizes that the power was he back in the present. Shoto engaged Dabi with an icebound crash, Cold Flames, Pale Blade, sending him flying. Dabi realizes that Shoto quirk makes him the perfect counters to Dabi flames. He then neutralizes Shoto's technique as he declares that despite sharing blood, they were nothing like. Dabi uses his burnt body to ignite massive volcano eruption. Thought the flaming sidekickers save Shoto from the flames. As the battlefield erupts in flame, Shoto recalls the support of his friends and classmates who have always been by his side, summoning all his strength and asking his brother to stop. Shoto launches his ultimate move, Great Glacier Aegir. A massive wave of cold fire strikes Dabi directly, freezing the inferno across Kamino. My Hero Academia Season 7 Episode 8 concludes with Shoto holding the seemingly unconscious Dobby aimed to battlefield encased in ice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed diving into the intense backstory of Dobby and the epic showdown between him and Shoto. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more anime contents. See you next time.